This one tree is called a fixed deposit and gives better returns than the stock market. In the first year, you can buy it for less than 1000 rupees, and after the 10th to the 15th year, you can sell each tree for over 10 lakh rupees. Well, these kind of returns are unimaginable. A kilo of its wood sells for over 15,000 rupees, and a litre of its oil sells for more than 6 lakh rupees. I am talking about the sandalwood, which is used in more than 50% of all perfumes for women around the world, including Chanel No. 5, YSL, Tom Ford, and several others, including Coco Chanel. In fact, if you have an acre of land, be it in North India, South India, you can set up a sandalwood forest of over 350 trees, which will give you more than 3 crores in profit after 15 years. Not just that, it's grown with several other fruit trees, lentils, and other crops in between, which continue to pay for its maintenance cost as well as give farmers annual income. In fact, the highest spend on sandalwood is actually on protecting it from theft, which is why people cover it with barbed wire, CCTV cameras, and also put guards manning it for over 24 hours. I've given a lot more details in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.